see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to
Right, so we've decided to go on holiday
Where?
to Cairns
When? What Cairns?
because it's real hot there.
When? Who with?
Us.
Just us.
Wait, when?
Next week.
Not this Friday, next Friday, Lee.
Yeah.
So,
One game,
One
mate.
game.
One game, work.
That's
You only
it.
miss out on Glencoe.
Danny,
This
I'll
game
see
that we need me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're just gonna miss one game.
You'll enjoy it because there's lots of activities there, sports.
Danny, I'll be there.
Cairns. Right.
What do you say?
What are you gonna say?
Thanks.
We're flying out to Adelaide.
Thanks, sir.
Where's Cairns?
Way up. It's
Queensland.
Queensland, but it's way up the top more.
Danny, I'll be
It's up where it's hot.
Oh, Cairns.
Yeah, it's hot. So all you got to do is pack your tankies and shorts and
Yeah.
Are you gonna go
one
swimming?
pair of shoes,
Why
or wading
Cairns?
shoes.
Why did you pick Cairns?
Yeah, why can't?
Because you should see the water sport things, activities and that there. There's
There were
heaps.
crocodiles in there.
There's no
I want to
crocodile.
go to the Gold Coast instead.
No, I've been there.
We've been there in Gold
Thank
Coast.
you. Thanks, Mum.
So
Welcome.
you got stuff to do around here, and well, we're probably going to leave on the 13th to go to Adelaide for 3 days, and then for your footy. But you never know, you might still get going.
Should I still ask him if I need to come up?
Yeah.
So we'll miss out on school.
Yes.
Yeah.
How
A
many
week.
days?
Only a week.
Only 1 week.
We'll go for 12 days. Just have
Yeah.
a holiday. What do you reckon?
12?
Zach? You in or you're out?
So
Tell me.
I miss out on 2 games.
Are you in?
Yeah, maybe you're 2 and he's 1.
On one.
I'm one.
Are you
no,
in?
I'm one. I got to buy.
That's right. You're not out.
In.
Right.
Out.
You're out.
You're out. Good. Stay.
Good.
By yourself,
Stay.
by yourself.
In.
You're out,
Oh,
Kuya.
okay.
You're not. You don't wanna come here.
He wants to come. He's just, you know, he's like.
Too many
trying-
golf clubs or?
Nah.
No.
We can have a hit over there though. They got good golf clubs.
Where are we
and all.
staying?
At an Airbnb, so I have to get photos of your faces
Bec-
to give to them. So in the morning, we'll just get a photo here of your face.
Why?
Because they
You know,
wanna
like
know.
last time we had to have pictures of, or in the Philippines, you know how we had to have pictures of us to say who's staying, so they
Yeah.
know. It's
Because
just identification, Zach.
So are we hiring a car?
yeah, we're gonna hire the car.
Get a Lamborghini.
So where can we go to the Sugar World water park?
Yeah, that's where we're going, my boy.
Yeah.
Are you excited or
Oh,
what?
yes.
I
We're going home.
am. Yeah.
Thought we were going nowhere, but you're like,
Yeah, just for a quick because we've been busy. We've
Wait,
been
what day are we
busy.
leaving?
next Friday. So you clean up your shit.
Yeah. You have
So
to
we're
pack.
leaving-
Well,
Depends on
it's
Kuya.
footy.
Yeah.
Yeah, on Friday morning at 6 o'clock, I think we leave on the
This
plane.
Friday?
No, next week Friday, not this kind Friday.
But today's the 7th.
Fine.
Yeah.
How long? It's more than 2 hours.
Yeah, about 3.
See?
3 hours flight.
But when you walk out, it'll be like, oh, it's hot.
So hot.
So just bring your tankies and shorts.
Yeah.
Can I bring my dresses?
Haven't you got tankies? No.
Wait, no, I'm confused. 'Cause
In 10 days we're leaving
10
But
days.
you-
No,
No,
was if he was playing football.
football.
We're going to go to Adelaide
Yeah.
and then leave on
why
come
don't we
back,
why
just
don't we
stay
just
there.
stay in Adelaide?
That's what I was going to do.
So why don't we do it now?
Well, you could.
Yeah, let's
No. No, we have things to do here.
do it. Yes.
Holly
Yeah,
have a
guys, clean
competition.
You got shit to do now.
Yeah,
it's
my
not
comp-
work.
Kasi
Yeah,
Oli.
Oh.
I'm excited.
Alright, better cook their food at home.
Yeah, alright.
Wait, no, they go to school week. When we go there,
Oh,
Yeah,
I know.
bedrooms, yeah.
2 stories.
Alright.
Yeah.
2 story.
Yeah, 2-story, nice pool. It'll be hot, you'll be swimming every day, all day.
Will you be swimming?
Yeah, maybe it'll be that
He
hot.
won't.
Um,
Alright, no worries.
Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad.
Can you cook them, honey.
Yeah,
so,
alright, I'm gonna cook now.
Alright, no worries, yeah.
You're welcome. Morning guys, today is Wednesday, 7:20 or 7:30 na. And ito rin yung last day of dance competition ni Holly. Kasi 'di ba nung Monday yung una niyang comp for this July. Tulog pa siya. Mamaya ko na siya gigisingin pag naka-ready na ako. Tinatanggal ko lang tong mask. Overnight mask. Yung, ano nga to? I-insert ko kung anong ginamit ko dito. Medicube. And kinakabahan ako, hindi sa dance ni Holly. Kinakabahan ako kung magagawa ko ba yung requirement na buhok. Kasi yung buhok nila dapat naka-bun and then curl na maliliit. Wala akong curler na maliit. Curler ko is yung Dyson, yung Airwrap. So, meron lang ako dyan 2 barrels. Yung isa malaki, yung ginamit ko nung Monday. Tapos yung isa, hindi ganun kaliit. Meron ako before, pero tinapon ko na yun. As in, matagal ko na yun na-dispose. Yung metal na maliit talaga siya. Hindi naman natin alam na mag-dance to si Holly. So, ngayon, yun yung aking wino-worry. Paggising ko, asing kabado ako. Okay, wash. Hugasan ko lang tong mukha.
Do I not get my costume on?
Ah, yeah, you have to put your costume na pala. Para hindi na siya madamihan. Yung blush ko is yung... Okay, mag-blush na ako habang magbibigay si Holly. Ito ay from Sunny's Face.
It looks so small, but it fits me perfectly.
Lipstick na lang. Lip tint. Yung curler ko is, ito yung pinakamaliit na barrel sa Airwrap. And then, ang gusto ng teacher, insert ko yung picture, yung gusto ng teacher niya na super tiny curl. Ay, good luck talaga sa akin. Ito, painitin ko just in case kailangan ko siyang ano ba? Mas makapal ito pag itong pinaikot ko. Kasi itong gagamitin ko, ito lang. Painitin ko dito.
I've been looking for a mirror, and I think I found it in your eyes. She's been looking for a reason, and I think she found it in my mind. So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying away from the
Later na.
crowd and under the lights.
Later na.
Finding courage in a bottle, and now
Mom,
everything.
is that in the middle?
Yeah. nilagay ko dito yung Kerastase kasi yung spray dun sa kung saan siya nakalagay, ang pangit. Ito yung empty na ano ko, mist na, yung kahi mist. Ayan, at least ito, sabog ba? Hindi lang isa. Oops, speaking the pan. Okay guys, balikan ko kayo. Kasi magpo-focus tayo dito sa kanyang buhok. Yeah, it's middle. Okay, 12:45. Nasabi ko ba sa inyo? 12:45
Can I
dapat
do
na.
it?
Ako na, Holly.
But I do it.
I know now, Holly. Remove that one. So, 45 dapat nandun na sila sa pinag-uusapan pa kung pa-practice muna sila sa studio bago pumunta sa theater. So, kailangan kong i-check lagi yung group chat kasi hindi pa nakakapag-decide yung teacher niya kung ano ba talaga.
Things of her. She's been looking for the good love, and I'm standing in front of her. So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying away from the crowd and under the lights. Under the lights. So we're moving this colorful night, and we're staying away from the crowd and under the lights.
Ito pala yung buhok na kailangan kong gawin kay Holly. Middle part, and ayan, naka-bun and curl. My goodness, hindi naman tayo hairdresser. And nung Monday, tinext ko si Kylie kung meron siyang pins na ganito. Kasi binigyan niya ako before, and pinakita ko yun sa kanya. Kasi hindi ko alam kung saan pwedeng bumili. And sabi niya, yeah. So, binigyan niya tayo. Ang dami. Thanks, Kylie. Okay. Let's do this.
Gotta focus now, Mum.
Focus now. Update you later, guys.
I try so hard to fade away. I try so hard to fade away, but something's forcing me to stay. It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. Oh, but there's something holding on in the way of being long gone.
So, eto na yung best na magagawa kong pag-curl sa buhok ni Holly. So, ang ginawa ko una is yung straightener. Yun ang ginawa kong pang-curl. Tapos, yung pangalawa, pinadaanan ko siya nung Dyson. So, ngayon, the challenging part is eto.
Are you not gonna use this one?
No, this one because this is bigger. Eto. Na. Ay, paano kaya to? Hindi ko talaga alam. How we gonna do this, Baba? na yung curl, yung babalutin natin yung donut.
Do you need this?
Yeah. Then, oh. Tapos papaikutan. Dapat naka-curl pa din. Diba? Wala talaga. Oh my goodness. Wala ka pang makeup. Ano na guys? Alas 10 na, di ba? Dito ako natagalan. Ngayon, imi-messy daw siya na curl. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Tulungan niyo ako. Ano na ang gagawin?
I know I should have done this, should have quit this long ago.
My God. Tapos yung kamay ko, pinagpapawisan pa kaya may towel ako dito. Kasi kanina, my God, sa nervyos ko. Tapos sa pressure. Kung magagawa ba natin to? Oh. Oh my God, I think I need...
Hey, use this
Okay.
one.
Yung isa na lang na donut, guys. Kasi yung medyas, hindi nakikisama. Okay to pag hindi curl, yung hindi
See?
ko siya tutusukan. Ito na lang kasi mas madali siyang tusukan. Pero
This,
kailangan kasi malaki daw. Bahala sila dyan.
guys, this is a sock. Wait a minute, is it?
Oh, where's the... Okay, look down, please.
Can't stand another heartbreak, but it's time to let it go. It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. Oh, but there's something holding on in the way of being long gone. There's so many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up. Far too many ways to escape, but I guess it's time to wake up, time to wake up.
That
Say
right there.
Ayan siya, guys. Okay na ba? Oh. Ano na kayo mga pinag-text nila? Nagtatanong kung middle part. Ay, naku, na middle na kita, holy. May mga nagtatanong middle part ba or just middle part. Di ba may sample na nga? Okay, we're good. We're just gonna
Okay,
put...
makeup, makeup, makeup.
Oh, no, look up. This one. Wait, Tommy.
It was on my forehead.
Okay, malinis na siya, di ba? Okay na.
Final look on hair, now makeup.
Okay, makeup na, guys. May mga nag-send ng pictures sa group chat namin. Yun. Okay. And nakita ko, halos pareho lang naman kay Holly. So, sinend ko na rin sa group chat yung kay Holly. And yeah, hinart nila. We're good. We're good, Baba. I'm just gonna put more spray. It's not gonna go anywhere. So we're just gonna tuck it in later. Concealer tayo. Ito yung Tivian na shade niya is Almond. Ito kasi yung ano niya, shade. Concealer lang siya. I think. Curl niya muna yung kanyang lashes. We're almost done.
Just gotta do this and then this, then mascara, then lipstick.
Don't pull. I told you go in.
Yeah, I am.
Nothing up here. Guys, tapos na tayo. Ayan na siya. May mga picture na siya. Pinicturean ko siya. So, we're going soon. Mayroon silang practice. Ka-text lang. 12:30 daw. So, may 10 minutes pa kami.
Just 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
So,
got
yan
a
na.
transition.
Transition for what?
I did a transition last night and I finished it.
Ah, where? In my other phone?
Yeah.
Dito na kami sa studio. Magpa-practice muna sila. Tapos na yung 30 minutes practice nila. Punta na tayo dito sa theater. And inayos
And I bring my mints.
ng teacher niya yung bow nilang lahat kasi dito raw sa side, hindi doon sa middle. Before kasi sa middle. Ngayon, dyan sa side.
Okay guys, I just finished my comp and I did really good and we placed second, but they were under 12s and they were a bit taller and a bit better than us, but that we still did good because we were under 10s and we had so much expression. And after that, me and my mum just went inside a Coles, so I'm going to give you a little haul of that. First, I got some blueberries and some strawberries. They look so good. And then got some roast chicken. And guys, we're not gonna be here. We're not gonna be at home late, but we're having a basic tea. Just chicken and some bread rolls. And then for my mum, she got twisters and grain waves. And for me, because I'm really hungry, I have some just original plain Pringles.
Yeah, ano pa lang guys, 3 o'clock. So, sabi ko hindi na ako magluluto.
Can I have
Easy.
some hand sanitizer, please?
Easy dinner lang tayo tonight. Bukas na lang to ako magluto. So, yun na guys.
And now we're just going to our Asian store.
Yeah,
to
may
grab
kunin lang
something.
ako. Yeah, may kunin lang ako doon saglit.
And
we're
what about
going.
the box?
Oh, nothing. We're going home.
Have
Finally.
a rest, take my hair out because
Yeah.
it's giving me a headache. Okay, I'm going to
Okay.
open my Pringles.
See you next time, guys.
See you.
Well done, Baba.
Thank
You did very well. I love the face expression.
Yeah, I was doing so much face, guys. Like, I was not trying to lose my expression, so I just tried to keep doing some other expressions.
Different
Oh,
expression. Yeah, depende sa music. Depende dun sa songs. Sa song na ginawa nila. Fabulous. You did well. All of you did. Yung naging kalaban nila, parang under, na yun? 12 or 14? Some of
Under
them,
12.
yeah. Sila under 10 eh. So, malaki yung naging kalaban nila. Tapos yung iba din. So, but yeah, they did well. Alright. See you guys.
Bye.
See you next time.
Yeah.
Nag-pull over kami dito kasi alis to. Ida-drop off niya si Kuya.
Mom, I'm off to go.
May training kasi si Kuya. O, diba? Pauwi na kami. Siya naman. Paalis siya kasi
Hi. Dad, she put 17 bobby pins in my hair. Yeah. My hair was in a bun. I took it out.
Yeah. Because of... Ayan yung kinuha namin sa Asian store. Mother. You're going to Brent.
Yeah, just 2 seconds. Alright.
Alright, bye.
I'll just wait for this car.
Okay.
What's that? That's got bigger.
You think so?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
May nunal kasi siya dyan.
Alright,
Okay, sige.
Butter, 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 butter,
Ang
butter.
ganda ng weather, oh.
Go after this car. There's no cars.
Alright, mag-dinner yung aking mag-aama. Yun nga, yung dinner namin is chicken tsaka yung bread rolls with gravy. And ito yung binili ko sa Asian store. Kamote, tapos gabi, and sago. Ayan, gumawa ako. Sa Bicol ang tawag namin sa Bicol nito is ginatan. So, ginataang kamote. Basta sa amin ginatan. Tapos, naglagay tayong tapioca. Yung bilog-bilog naman liliit. Hindi ako naglagay ng saging. May saging dyan. Pero hindi kasi ako mahilig sa saging. So, eto lang. I-freezer ko to. So, kukuha lang ako. Kasi ako lang naman yata. Tsaka sila ang kakain nito. Kasi yung boys ayaw nila nito. So, yan guys. Yan yung aking panghimagas. Walang langka. So, wala tong langka. Alright. And yung kamoteng isa is purple. Ayan. Makikita yung may purple, yellow. Tapos yung puti is taro tsaka yung glutinous rice na bilo-bilo. Ayan. Alright. Ito pala si Uncle Jay sa farm kasi gagawa siya ng ginagawa niya yung faucet dun sa malaking tank. Kung maalala nyo, may binili si Jen na yung pinakita ko sa inyo before. Ayan. You gonna work? Help Uncle Jay's dig here. Sumama ni Holly. Punta kasi ako dun sa bay. Nandun din si Jan. May ginagawa rin siya dun sa block. Dun sa bay. Dun siya. May ginagawa siya dun. Tayo sa bay. And ayun si Jan. Tsaka yung mga friends niya. Tinatanggal na yung old tank. Di ba nasabi ko sa inyo na ilalagay yan dun sa farm? Doon kung nasan yung horse? Hindi na, kasi super big niya para doon. So si Dino, kukunin niya yan, tapos meron siyang maliit doon na tank. Yun ang ibibigay niya sa amin. So magsaswap lang. Mas maliit nga lang kasi yan super big naman yan doon sa farm. And bagay yan doon sa farm ni Dino kasi malaki din yung farm niya. Oh, there's a lot of dogs here. Up, stop!
Slowly!
Oh, it's crunchy.
You need to come the other way.
Yeah, we're just getting shift trailer out of it.
Because you don't want to
That won't fall out of there.
be pain and stuff.
Just there, yeah.
Tapos na nasakay na secure na, ay di-deliver na ni Jan kay Dino. Tapos si Dino yun yung kanyang service. Nice car, din. See ya. Si Sakin di bumaba. Alright, uwi na tayo.
Is that tangerine fun?
Yeah. Good luck, babe. Alright, let's go. Balik tayo dito sa farm kasi hindi pa tapos si Uncle Chase. Ayan yung mga cows. Yung horse. Ito yung horse. Nandun yung horse. And, ayun. Dun. Nandyan sila. Kumakain ng grass. No, I don't want them.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, better now, Holly. Oh, without power. More powerful.
That'll fill you back a bit quicker, Tom.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, that's nice.
Time, so